This is vertical farming with aeroponic towers, and today we're with Spicy Mustache showing him the possibilities of this revolutionary farming technique where you can grow up to 52 plants per square meter without the use of soil. Spicy Mustache is an avid urban farmer based in London that focuses on inspiring people to reduce their impact on the environment. Together, we're going to show you how to set up an aeroponic tower. We start by putting the reservoir on the ground, followed by putting the reservoir lid on top. Next, we're going to add 2 metal rods which will provide stability for the tower. Afterwards, connect a submersible pump to the reservoir lid. This is what will irrigate the plants. Aeroponic towers are modular in size, so you can stack the growing sections to your desired height. This tower has 11 growing sections with a planting capacity of 44 plants. Fill up the tower with nutrient-rich water which will provide all the essential minerals and trace elements for healthy plant growth. Next, we're going to load up the tower with seedlings that are grown in a soilless substrate. Today we are transplanting lettuce seedlings. Once the seedlings are all in place, plug the irrigation line which will automatically fill up the tower on an as-needed basis. We are now going to plug the pump into the electricity outlet. Lastly, verify that the water is flowing correctly through the top section known as a shower cap. And there you go. After 1 month of growth, you'll be able to harvest most leafy greens from your aeroponic tower. Not only can you get abundant harvest from these aeroponic towers, but you can also save up to 95% water usage and 90% space when compared to traditional farming methods.